The Icehouse. A recent project we are particularly proud of is the Icehouse at Park Crescent, Regent's Park. Originally built in the 18th century, this Grade 1 listed structure had long been abandoned, but was unearthed during the construction of a recent prestige development. Originally used to store ice brought by barge from Scandinavia, the ice would stay frozen year-round and be sold to local merchants and ice cream parlours. Sadly, it was filled with muck and bricks during the 1950s and has not been viewed since then. Subtech were the first call for the developer tasked with removing all of the muck and bricks that had filled the Icehouse since the 1950s. Working through a tiny 600mm opening in the roof of the 10-metre deep structure, we worked tirelessly to remove the waste brick by brick, shovel load by shovel load. Over a period of several months, we removed 600 cubic metres of muck and brick rubble from the Icehouse, the equivalent of 75 lorry loads of material. The original brickwork remained wholly intact, and the result was to expose this tremendous feat of engineering and secure it for generations to admire.